Experience a crystal clean pool like never before with the most energy efficient pool cleaner in its class. Experience the Tiger Shark by Hayward. Recognized for its superior performance and ability to maximize efficiency, the Tiger Shark is one of the most advanced automatic portable pool cleaners in the industry. The Tiger Shark line is fully automatic, self-contained, and requires no additional equipment to operate. In fact, the Tiger Shark will vacuum and scrub any pool, even without the pool filter running, while using the same amount of energy as a standard light bulb. Simply plug it in, set it in the pool, and let it go. The Tiger Shark reads and calculates the size of your pool with its onboard computer and programs itself into the most efficient cleaning pattern for a spotless pool, with a convenient shutoff function at the end of the cleaning cycle. Its powerful onboard pump vacuums up dirt and debris while rubbing the bottom, walls, inclines, and steps so your pool will sparkle from rim to rim. The Tiger Shark is also the first and only portable robotic cleaner to feature a patented Easy Clean removable cartridge. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just remove and rinse with a garden hose. Besides its superb vacuuming ability, the Tiger Shark will filter 18,000 gallons of water in a 4-hour period and acts as an additional filtration system moving about the pool. A wireless remote control model is available so you can maneuver around the pool bottom with ease, or spot clean with a full cleaning cycle is not needed. The Tiger Shark QC is also available with its patented Quick Clean technology. Cleans any shape, size, or type of pool in 60 minutes. Designed with a more efficient cleaning pattern, allowing for quick cleanups in between standard cycles while reaching all areas of the pool. The Tiger Shark QC allows you to choose a quick clean cycle or standard cycle anytime, all in one machine. The industry's only 2-cycle robotic cleaner. Built to last longer than other robotic cleaners, the Tiger Shark line includes one of the best warranties in its class. While brushing and scrubbing, the 24-volt DC motor provides the most efficient vacuum strength in its class and does not require the use of your pool's pump or filter system, resulting in significant energy saving, up to 94% over pressure side cleaners. And the Tiger Shark 2 is available for commercial-sized pools with all standard Tiger Shark features. You can experience a crystal clean pool like never before when you choose a Tiger Shark by Hayward.